This is gonna leave. I put in the boiling water. Usually they're gonna put in the boiling water so that I wrap later the glutinous rice. I'm going to cook the glutinous rice. I'm going to cook the lutong Pinoy ibus. Ibus I preferred in the midnight snack, the New Year's night, for the harmonious of the family. I'm going to cook the ibos later. I wrap this banana leaf. It must be soaked in the water first because it's spoiled if you directly wrap in the glutinous rice. It must cook first. It becomes softer and then it doesn't broken the pieces of this banana leaf. Have you seen it cook already? Some more. Soak in the water first. A little bit water only. Don't waste the water and the fire too much. This one's spoiled, as you see. But I need this one. A little bit only, not too much cook. So it's done. Okay, put in here, put in here. Just put aside the kettle. I finished now. So later, this one put here. So here's the bacteria. Clean first. Later I do cooking again. Thank you so much.